All right, so I got a chance to transfer the police body cam files from my attorney's flash drive from my computer to my phone. And I'm here to update that I actually was able to pull up audio sound from the night of the interaction of James Smith's viewing on October 27th, 2026, and audio sound from my unlawful, unconstitutional arrest on January 28th of 2026. Anyways, let's begin.
Hey, brother. Let me holler at you for just a second, please.
On a public streets, there is an issue.
Well, sir, so we have a city ordinance here in the city of Lawton, okay? Perfectly fine doing what you're doing, but our ordinance here says that any part of a funeral, you can't picket within the first 2 hours during or the 2 hours after any part of a funeral within 1,000 feet of that establishment, okay?
This is news to me.
Okay, well, that's what we're doing, okay? We're informing you of what the law says, and we're giving you a chance to correct it, okay? So 1,000 feet. You can feel free to do what you're doing, as long as you do it 1,000 feet away from this building, okay? In contact.
I'm gonna wait till he completely exits.
I'll give him a chance to go actually see the chief real quick.
He's just been walking up and down.
Hey, brother, let me hold back 2 seconds, okay? I'm not trying to bug you, man. I'm just trying to...
I was honestly
Yeah.
over 1,000 feet, so what's the issue?
No, that's what I'm here to explain to you, okay? So it's been measured. This is only about 400 feet, okay?
What the?
No, I'm just giving you a heads up so you know, okay?
Actually, I'm on my way out.
I got you. But so, like if you come back tomorrow or whatever, take the distance that you have right now and double it. Because it's about 400 and, yeah. This is only, we measured it. It's about 400 some odd feet, okay? I'm just informing you so you don't get in trouble, okay? Because we're trying to let you do what you're doing without you going to jail. You know what I mean? We're just trying to be on the even people ground.
Obviously, if I would have known, I wouldn't be here because I'm not trying to go to jail for a ticket.
For sure. I understand. So that's why I'm letting you know the exact distance you're at right now. Double it, and then that'll be about 1,000 feet. This is about 460 some odd feet. Okay?
Okay, where would 1,000 feet be from here?
So, man, I think it'd probably be over by Lawton High, man.
Whoa, shit!
Yeah, it'd probably be over in that area, okay? We're not trying to, you have a right to picket. We're not trying to infringe on that. So that's why we're giving you an option, okay? But that's why we're trying to inform you.
And like I said, sir, I'm on my way out.
All right then, appreciate it.
Exactly. They inform you you're only halfway. You understand? You gotta be 1,000 feet on picketing on a funeral. That's the city ordinance. Okay? So it's your due right to picket, but you can't be within 1,000 feet. And right now you're 444 feet, which is an arrestable offense.
Well, like I said, I'm on my way out.
Okay, sir. You have a good one.
Appreciate you.
Same thing applies for the funeral tomorrow, sir.
All right, now on to the day of the unlawful, unconstitutional arrest.
He's going to leave. Give him the opportunity first.
What's your name? Have a good day, bro.
Let's go. No, this is it.
Let me talk out. All right. Let me talk out. I'll talk out in the phone. No. You know, we got the...
No, he needs to go.
This is what we were told. I agree, but I'm going to do it how we said we were going to do it so we don't smoke and breathing.
Can you get pictures of him looking? Of his photos?
I'm going 97 with Bill before. Clear, 292.
He said he's gonna do what?
Which cat? All right, here we go. Sir? Hello, sir. Go ahead and turn up your hand. Line it back.
For what? What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? I was just standing here observing like everybody else. What am I under arrest for?
Disturbing the funeral.
How am I disturbing the
You were
funeral?
warned yesterday.
You want your phone to go with you, sir?
It has to stick it. I don't have a flag. I don't have a sign. I'm recording like everybody else.
Your phone to go with you?
Got the keys in the unit.
Yes, I need my phone to go with me.
Let's
Take his truck.
You want to get it? You want to get it?
I was not picketed.
Hey, Coleman, I'm gonna walk him to the other side of the church.
I was standing on this sidewalk observing like everybody else.
The apartment, 3146 Northwest County Road, 3146 Northwest County Road. It's going to be roughly the corner.
Hey, sir, take it right here for me, please. You're gonna come stand right here. All right, right here's good.
He does not know the address because
My partner's gonna go grab a car, and then after that, you're gonna go to jail, okay?
What am I going to jail for? I did not have a sign. I did not pick. I was standing on the sidewalk observing like everybody else.
Hey, let's calm down, okay?
How you turn this off? Here.
we're trying to find
Hey, can I do it while I'm handcuffed?
I got you. No. I got it turned off. Go ahead.
Well, you gotta, you gotta simultaneously press down the very bottom and the very top
I was
button.
just gonna make it
I will,
stop.
sir, and we have 324 back.
Just turn the screen off for you.
Didn't even read me my rights or nothing. I was just standing there like the rest of the gentlemen was observing. Well, I'm the only one getting arrested.
Hey, we can talk about that in a little bit, okay? Let's not raise
I
our
was
voices.
standing on
Let's
that
not
side
raise-
sidewalk
let's not
with
raise
the
our-
rest of those gentlemen.
I understand. Let's not raise our voices out here, please. Thank you.
Those other gentlemen also had phones observing, so how come I couldn't do the same?
Okay, hold on. We can talk about that in a little bit, okay?
I want to talk to a supervisor.
The man who placed you under arrest was the captain. He's the watch commander.
Well, can I talk to the captain?
Yes.
Like for real, bro. I feel like the only one that was singled out of all the other gentlemen that also had phones observing.
Watch your steps, sir. I don't want you to slip, okay? Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke, stick, or stab us?
No, I do not.
Okay.
I didn't even have my rights read to me or
Okay,
nothing, or even have my due
hey.
process or anything.
Hey, bud, let's not raise our voices out here. Again, like I said, we can talk about this when we get away, okay?
Hey, you just screw that thing after up top and pull up on that bottom.
Pull up on the bottom?
Yes. No, pull up at that top. Yeah. And then after that, you push down on that very up top where that head's at.
Anything inside your beanie, sir? No? Okay. Unlock the car.
It's unlocked.
Have a seat for me, sir, please. Thank you. Watch your knee, bud. Thank you, sir. Gonna hold those. 15.
Delta 19, you can hit 22 month back. He's going for, he's talking about steroids, and he's got somebody there watching him. He's on his way to work in a few minutes.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to. Okay. Delta 1, sorry, Delta 5 headquarters, 1015.
They close this up, I guess?
It's been closed up.
Oh, we can make it. Right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to move
I'm
it
sorry,
down.
last thing about
Can you move it?
Yeah.
You got room, honestly.
5. Delta 5. Yeah, just go ahead and move it out the way. Yeah, go ahead.
You need me to create your call? I don't show you on.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Dispatch will see you.
So
What did y'all say my charge was again?
Picketing a funeral, protesting a funeral. That is what the captain said.
So it's got a misdemeanor or a felony.
Pretty sure it's a misdemeanor. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to read the statute whenever we get to the jail. I'll let you know, okay?
Because I didn't even have my rights read to me or not.
Okay, well, we're not asking you any incriminating questions.
Thank you. Mike 151, Young 764, you can 1022 or cancel response.
What's clear? 1090 check.
Thank you.
Delta 597.
Okay, no problem.
Too short. One male. Mind all of the P's and Q's, every single one of them. He's on the other side, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir. Already ahead of you. I'm gonna put it all up as evidence. Yes, sir. Hey, hoodie, beanie, phone, all evidence.
I wasn't the only one on the phone observing like everybody else. There was two other gentlemen with me right before I got arrested.
You know what? And we'll take care of that in a little bit. Right now, we got some jump. You got anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me, nothing like that?
Okay, sweet. I don't even know if I'm being charged with a felony or misdemeanor.
All P's and Q's. All P's and Q's.
All P's and Q's?
Okay.
Did you hear that? Or not? You have that?
Here, 21, dispatch.
Yes. You got a license in there?
I don't know. I got that for. That's
Here,
evidence.
I swear to God, this is big. This is where.
Where did the ambulance go? When that crash call said south. But they're not up here.
Okay, I'll check with my dispatcher.
I got a zone block shift map in here somewhere. It used to be sitting over here. Yeah, it's right here.
Hey, boy.
Oh, yeah. Clark Avenue.
No, you went to Memorial.
Last name, sir?
Jackson.
Jackson. first name?
Dimitri,
Okay, Memorial Main.
T-R-I.
I'm sorry. D-E-M?
D-M-I.
D-M-I.
T-R-I.
T-R-I.
The driver's name doesn't have
I know there's a light switch for that.
I would, absolutely.
It sure had to be turned on.
It's a good question. We're not there yet.
Okay, thank you.
I'm having to stay here.
Yeah, they always do.
1-1.
But I don't know. I don't think they're gonna do a workout on this.
I don't either, but still.
12.
For now, yeah.
Northwest.
For now.
Right.
I'll get him some more. Just let
War.
For now.
W-A-R-R.
It's gonna probably wind up being
Northwest.
I get him photographed right there with this
I've got to go to the property.
And when y'all get me out these calls, can I at least turn my phone on?
Yeah, we'll get to that, okay? Lawton, Oklahoma, 7350.
73505
505. Okay. Good phone number for you?
580-284-5286.
What's your date of birth?
June 4th, 1987.
Where were you born, city and state?
Fort Riley, Kansas.
Excuse me.
Charlie 25, can you go too?
Oh, there it is. Hold you.
There you go. That was me.
Yeah, bro.
No. What were you saying?
I did it.
American.
Installed the cloud.
No.
That's all you?
6'3".
I got it checked.
That was well timed.
280.
This out of your way.
You register sex offender or
You
anything?
want to do funeral picketing or do you want to do the
Affiliated?
service of the funeral?
You go by any nicknames or aliases?
No.
Got any scars, marks, or tattoos?
I already did.
Do you have tattoos on
Does
your
that
arm,
match?
please?
I think you can do probably either. He's 120
On both sides?
according to them.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Captain said picketing, but it's up to you.
Single, married, divorced?
They're both right on top of each other. I mean, they're
What's yours?
Go ahead.
well. If you're putting it under your Brazos,
Oh.
I'll tell you what. Give the arrest to me, but we're going to use his Brazos for the citation because we'll
Okay,
give you that.
since the arrest one of you, what exactly was being charged with it? If it's a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's going to probably wind up being Comanche County misdemeanor. All right, it's going to be filed to the state though. All right. 3174.
I don't understand why it would be filed to the state.
Because we're recorded on record here. That makes sense.
Not really.
It's not.
So
It's not a city. It's not a city ordinance. You understand?
There's certain misdemeanors that fall under city only, and then other
This isn't
misdemeanors
one of
that go
them.
to the state.
Okay, so what would it exactly be charged with?
Picketing a funeral.
How is it picketing? I had no sign or no flag or anything. That's a selfie stick to hold my phone.
There's also disturbance of the funeral.
How was I disturbing the funeral? Now and there was other gentlemen right next to me on the sidewalk.
According to the statute, you have to stay beyond 1,000 foot of that procession or that funeral. Okay, you're 120 feet from the curb line.
But I was there for at least maybe 30 minutes before it even
And
got
as long
started.
as you were going to stay away from everything that was going on, nobody was going to come and cause any problems with you. But the minute you moved all the way to pretty much the front door, right?
With other gentlemen that were standing right next to me, so why am I the only one getting arrested?
Yes, sir.
What
Well,
was the time and location?
the
Here,
obscene writing on your
21,
shirt doesn't.
ambulance
Two.
from Memorial Main.
All right.
It doesn't matter. I was still singled out.
Fifth and
There's
B.
family members that can be there, and they're there for a funeral for their father, their brother, etc.
Would you like an emergency contact?
Yes,
What is the name?
Willie Jackson.
You look that over, make sure you're good with it.
Is a good phone number for that?
580-284.
No.
456.
Yeah, I think disturbance.
I think it's better if it's better.
Yeah, you read them both too, right?
Mhm.
I did too.
I got funeral ticketing
No.
or funeral processions for through
Disturbing.
disturbing. Disturbing funerals.
Yep.
Versus city.
Oh, well, let's do the county. Coleman. Hold on, where did he go? What's the code on there? Oh, no, hey.
That is a city code?
Yep.
I'm surprised we have that in the city code.
We have. It'll be 21.
Both of those are.
21-11-66.
I can't look it up on.
Oh.
It's just disturbing.
They're both misdemeanors, just running to the city. Absolutely running to the city.
Yeah.
On this one. Yeah.
I think that might be a conflict of interest with our courts.
Oh, well, then it might be. Then do
Yeah.
it Comanche. I was just saying for, the ease, that way he doesn't have to be transported. and stuff.
What would they? What disturbing, right? Disturbance. I mean, if that's the one you want to go with, I'll just put a note saying that we don't
Yeah.
have the state code added in our system.
Yeah,
and,
we'll just do it that way.
And we'll have to do the same on our end.
I don't know how to change that.
Supervisor has to.
Oh, I'm tracking.
21-11-66. Oh, yeah, it pops up as that.
Oh, so we can? It can go it both ways?
I guess so.
Interesting.
We'll see what it does when it prints. Yes.
Do you have any physical medical problems?
No.
Currently take any prescription medication?
City or county?
Thank you, Suffolk County.
Okay. No. Bill, fine, and eat. We're gonna have some work. One's for anti-depression, the other one's for anxiety.
I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, you're talking about monthly rate. I just want you. You have that?
No.
Yeah, no.
Print off city ex-captain. It hasn't started yet.
I'm sure, yeah.
Okay, never mind, don't bother him.
Yeah.
We can figure
We'll
it
just nail it down
out. Tell
a
them
little bit.
to leave him here, and we may have to.
So he'll have to stay here for a little while until they can change the code
Yeah.
over to get him over county. Because we don't have that in our process.
Oh, wait, you're not changing it now?
Yes, change him out.
He'll have to stay here for a little
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, you said something about changing it and then doing that.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
no.
We have all of our, but we don't have access to do that. Supervision only does, and they're tied up.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Hey, how do I change?
Change it?
Last name, sir?
Jackson.
Mr. Jackson, what size do you want? 2XL or
2X.
2X? Alright.
It's going, so.
Sir, did you have anything else in your pockets, or you were any jewelry that they missed?
No, I don't have anything else in my pockets.
Okay, underneath your hoodie, you got your shirt, and your hoodie, you have another shirt underneath that?
Yes.
Okay. Underneath your pants, are you wearing any jewelry in there as well? No? Okay, and what color shoes do you got?
Just brown boots.
Brown boots? Okay, perfect. What thing did you got? Okay. They didn't call it up, it was broadcasted over the BB radio.
Text Trent, hold it. And he got a measurement for you. He yelled at me
Oh,
about
I don't
what he
remember what
got.
112.
officer,
Pretty sure.
I think
I'll-
I'm sure we could probably call
somewhere
this
around
guy.
there.
Do you
When
see
I get
property
called, I
out?
call to immediately call somebody.
So what'll happen is we'll get you changed out.
No,
get
it's
you the
dispatch,
images,
yeah.
Checking
I'll
out the
fingerprint you,
property real
take a
quick.
photograph,
Dispatch called
give
an
me
officer,
the
a police officer
Yeah,
who
I can package it
is,
to you.
About
apartment.
15 more minutes or so.
And then, we just heard all of it coming over the radio for the TV radio.
I'm just gotta make sure that she's got enough information for you.
No. We just heard it and they said it came over the radio and I was just like, yeah. No problem.
Alright, sweet. Alright. Do you need to take the cuffs off?
No. And when I get these cuffs off, can I cut off my cell phone at least?
Oh, did you need any numbers from your cell phone?
Yes, can I write down a few?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we'll get that done first and then that way you can turn it off.
Yeah, thank you for at least doing that much for me.
Oh, yeah. No calls, no text, no opening other apps, okay? Just grab whatever phone numbers you need and then.
I gotta either,
Yeah,
I gotta
close
close that on first.
Yeah, okay. It was already
Keep
open
it-
when you opened it.
keep
Now
it
leave
on the
flat,
counter for me.
And then whatever numbers you need, put right down here in this space. Okay.
Delta 4, George 292, had a 1074 call at the Stripe 67th and Gore, 67th and Gore.
Any
Apartment
other
by
ones?
this location,
All good?
RP is wanting
You have a
contact.
card on your phone?
She's a male that has stolen her vehicle on a prior incident.
Alright, we'll leave that right here. I gotta write some numbers on it so that you'll be able to make your
Thank
phone
you for at
calls.
least bearing with me for this much.
Yeah, of course. Go with him. You'll get changed out so we can get these officers out of here. Okay?
Actually, he might have to stay here. Because we're gonna put the phone on as evidence. They're gonna put a phone dump for the pictures and videos that he was making for more evidence.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say he stays for now.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, he can be transported
Later.
at the end of shift or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Once we talk to Captain, everybody's on the same page.
292, SO365 says that he would take the back.
I'll handle the property receipt. So what I'm gonna do, while you run to the car? Already, yeah, it's a quick
Yeah,
reversible
so
one.
you'll have to call
Well, no, it
the
goes like
property
this.
and
Yeah.
make an appointment to pick up
So you run to the car,
whatever you are picking up because they have
open up
set times.
the report,
Mm-hmm.
shoot me a case number. I'll shoot, in return, I'll shoot you a property report, property receipt number, and we'll both just start going that direction.
Yeah, so
You want me to list you as the confiscator?
And just that
the
looks like the
evidence?
person
Yeah.
out there
Everything,
waiting.
okay.
police
30
property
years old,
and you organize getting it.
Pacific Islander male, and then
And make sure that, well, I'll talk to you here in a little
Yeah.
bit, but when you list,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll give you
Yeah.
a chronological order. Yeah. So yeah, until we can talk to Captain, we're just gonna keep him here for now.
That's fine. I mean, either way, it's
Either
either
way,
way,
it's a
city
new
or
charge.
state, it's gonna be here.
Yeah.
New charge, we
And he still has to
keep him
speak
here
to
one way or another.
Oh, I
That's
thought
the
that
case.
if they weren't gonna do a workup on him, we just take him straight over.
Well, I mean, I guess
I mean,
it
for
depends
things
on
like-
whether it's an investigative
Yeah,
charge.
Yeah, they're not gonna
They
investigate.
may still interview.
They may.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason we keep them, if it's new
That's
and they
fine,
have
I'm
to.
Yeah.
I'm so used to being on the other side, like where I come in here, go straight across anyway.
But those are already full,
Yeah,
and they stay if you give them a new citation on top of them.
yeah.
DUIs go.
DUIs, DUS, DUR,
Any-
obstruction, they can all go.
Well, sometimes
No,
obstruction
sometimes
can stay
obstruction
here
stays.
too.
They need more to speak to somebody.
Well, I mean,
Sometimes the
ba-
obstruction
not,
charges
yeah,
get dropped down to city, so.
yeah. I mean, if the
Hey, are you gonna?
We'll talk.
You're logged in for 2 minutes.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
That's fine. You can change the name on the report.
Oh, you can just put that you're right now?
Uh huh.
Okay, I didn't know you could do that.
You sure can.
The stripes.
She's at the apartment near the Stripe.
Yes, sir. If would you please? Thank you.
Yeah, they're just going to put it on your property anyway.
Thank you, sir.
We're trying to get further from her. She said last building by the road on the left. She gave Summit Ridge Apartment, 6921 Westmore Boulevard. She saw the suspect, however, at that Stripe.
I got another 97 for like bonds. I may have to, pay or whatever. Would they allow me to, pay
It looks like we're still on phone with her.
I don't know what county's policy is, but for us, we typically take cash. We do have an ATM over in the court section if you need to post bond for this later. But typically that ATM doesn't get filled very often, so I don't know. You could always release it to someone too, and then they can hold the cash out. They're gonna change the code. Yeah, there's a state one too.
There's our sheet.
We just don't have it in here. Yeah, it's on the printer.
You get one? The shirt?
It's in the box.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah, when you
hey. Let's wait.
I'll just pull it. No problem. It's fine. Okay. We've got all the other stuff.
Is that all the stuff you guys are taking?
Just that.
Y'all taking notes though? This is what we're keeping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you grab me that gray binder right here?
Gray binder. Listen.
George 292 and 703 65 with you. Copy. This RC is no longer on the screen. That just got updated. I'll have it back and forth with the training order of all.
Yes. Yeah, someone's car. Yeah.
And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I was simply arrested on the corner of a sidewalk for difference of opinion for wearing a disagreeable t-shirt and beanie while filming with my phone with my tripod holding my phone. See, initially, as you seen at the beginning of the video, I had no idea of this city ordinance, which is why I did not argue it, which is exactly why I did not even bring a sign or an assembly the day of the actual funeral service. To keep it a buck with y'all, I was just attempting to use the funeral service for content. Now, unfortunately, I have to tell the story of my unlawful, unconstitutional arrest as my content instead. And there's your walkthrough of the body cam footage with audio of what exactly happened the evening before my arrest and the day of. And I'll definitely keep you all updated and posted on my YouTube channel.